In this video, you'll learn how to add Web Pro access in your Bluehost account. This is really useful if you work with a web designer, developer, or agency, and you want them to help manage your site without having to share your personal login details. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you're doing and why, and give you a few tips along the way so everything feels straightforward. First, start by going to your Bluehost portal. This is the main dashboard where you normally manage your websites, domains, and hosting. If you're not already signed in, open your browser and log into your Bluehost account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you should land on the main home screen or dashboard. Give it a second to load fully so all the navigation options appear. From here, we're going to look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is often called the sidebar. It's where you'll see all the different sections of your account, like home, websites, domains, and so on. What you're looking for is the section labeled either Agencies or Web Pro. The exact label can vary depending on how your account is set up or which version of the interface you're using, but it will be along those lines. Take a moment to scroll through the sidebar if you don't see it right away. Sometimes the menu is collapsed, so you might need to click an icon to expand it and reveal the full names of each section. Once you see Agencies or Web Pro, go ahead and click on that. This will open up the area of your account that's designed for collaborating with professionals who manage websites for clients. After you click into the Agencies or Web Pro section, you'll be taken to a page that describes the Web Pro features and how they work. This page is essentially an introduction to the collaboration tools Bluehost offers. Here you should see a clear button that says either Get Started or Join Pro. These buttons both serve the same purpose. They begin the process of turning on Web Pro access for your account. Now click Get Started or Join Pro. When you do this, Bluehost begins setting up your account to use the Web Pro system. Depending on the interface, you may see a short explanation of what Web Pro access allows, such as letting trusted professionals manage certain parts of your account without giving them your personal login. Read through any on-screen information so you understand what level of access you're enabling. At this point, you've successfully taken the key step to add Web Pro access. From here, Bluehost will guide you through any remaining on-screen prompts specific to your situation, such as connecting with an existing web professional or inviting someone to manage your site. Be sure to review any permissions or access levels you're granting and only share access with people or agencies you trust. That's all there is to initiating Web Pro access in Bluehost. Open your portal, go to the Agencies or Web Pro tab in the sidebar and click Get Started or Join Pro. Once that's done, you're ready to collaborate more safely and efficiently with your web professionals.